Hello viewers, in this video I am gonna show how can make clipping path in Photoshop. Clipping path is the closed vector path or shape used to cut out an image. So let's start. In Photoshop right now, let's use the pen tool to create the path. Can also make sure my path panel was selected. Okay, now I am gonna create a path around the image. When I join this path and looking my path panel, you will see real time this path being created. After finished, I saved my file.